Hello guys, let me show you how you can Dockerize the Laravel application. So first let's check the folder I use, so like home projects Mr. Zabe, and also I'm going to need the URL for the host. So let's check that I have it in the host file, and yeah, you can see here. So I added the host name. Just better one, because localhost is not that very descriptive, to be honest. So yeah, now I'm going to grab the Laravel application, the skeleton from the GitHub. Let's just grab the command to do that. Yep. So git clone, specific version, then the depth is 1. So we just need one layer without the whole history, and yeah, the URL, and then the project name we called Larademo. Now let's cd to Larademo, and we can install the. Obviously you can clean the application by removing this git, GitHub, changelog, etc. Let's install the PHP dependencies. The one way to do it is just to use the composer composer image. So this is the command. Come on. Okay, just grab this. So we just run the composer image and mount in the current folder, and I use my user, the 1000, and 33 is for the standard group for the web server, as you can see, www data. So let's run the install, composer install. Okay, cool, it's done. Also on that note, if I run the PHP version on my system, as you can see, I don't have it. So the whole idea is that, well, basically for the Docker, it's that you have your host system, you just install Docker, Git, and that's all. You don't need to install the actual PHP, MySQL, web server, whatever. This is the beauty of it. So all will be inside the container. So the next bit, we need a Docker Compose file. So just grab, I'm gonna copy it from the templates I created. Dockerize Laravel, and they will be available on the GitHub, so you can grab the files from there. Docker Compose YAML. Then let's symlink the Docker folder also. So symlink relative Docker Laravel. Docker. Yeah, Docker and Docker. Okay, so we have the symlink and we have a Docker Compose YAML file. Now let's use PHP Storm. Okay, project, yep. So Larademo, they're gonna be project root, create, cool. I don't need that one. Yeah, go away. So Docker Compose. So about this file, so I have the few services. So first is the Nginx, the web server, and I use the custom configuration here, and the configuration location is here. So Nginx, Docker, Nginx, and default conf. And the actual conf, I just grab it from the Laravel documentation, as you can see here. So I just added few modifications like server name, root, and the path, basically where to look for FPM. And this is Larademo FPM. It's actually the service name. So the next service, obviously the PHP itself, and I use the user, the custom one. Just don't want to use the root, and we mount the current folder, etc. And we also build in it, as you can see from the file. And if you look at the file, the default image lacks some things we need. Like for instance, we need unzip. In some cases, you also might need git. Then we need the PDO MySQL in order to connect to the database. Then I also install the composer, and this is the second variant how you can do it. And I prefer this one this way. So just have the composer inside your Docker image. Okay, and then we have a MariaDB for database, and we use a volume to store the data there, and phpMyAdmin to have a quick access and be able to play with the data directly. Cool. So what next? Next we need .env file. So let's copy pasta quickly. Okay, here let's change the URL just in case. Larademo.dev. Then the database. So the database connection, MariaDB. MariaDB. Database host will be the service name of the MariaDB. Yep. Then database name, let it be Larademo. The database user also Larademo. And database password, something very secure like party. And I think that's it. Now it should work. Let's run it. So the command to run it, docker compose, yeah, this one. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, cool. Is it still running? Yeah, it's running. Let's see what we have on the website. Okay, so yeah, obviously the key is missing. So let's go inside the container. Docker exec. Well, I say go inside the container, but actually I just execute the command. Larademo php fpm bash, and here you can see the same mounted folder, our project. So php artisan. Yeah, and we need PHP artisan. I think that was like key generate. Yeah, key generate. Yeah, cool. So PHP artisan key generate. Cool, nice one. Let's update. Okay, sure. Database migrations. Artisan migrate. And just in case, dbseed as well. Dbseed. And it's working. Cool. Now let's modify something. So resources, views, welcome blade. Let's update the title like demo, Laravel demo. And as you can see, there is a title Laravel, and when I run update, it's Laravel demo. It's kind of cool. Now let's check the phpMyAdmin part. So it's working as well. Let's use Larademo user and our very secure password again. And here we are. So you can play with the database, here are migrations, etc. So it can be very useful. So what next? Let's stop it. And also the composer inside the container. Composer. So as you can see, it's here, and you can use it. So another way how to install the dependencies. Yeah, let's exit. Docker PS. Yeah, let's stop it. Stop. Yeah, it stopped. Also, as you can see, I use this P option, like project name. That's kind of useful because it will be same network, regardless of how many projects I'm playing with. It's still going to be the same network. It can be useful in some cases. So let's see, Docker PS. Yeah, it stopped. If I go here, nothing is running. But just run again, and yep, it's working. And we have our working dev environment for Laravel application. Well, that's it. So yeah,